Are you a renter in New Jersey who has experienced a loss of income due to the COVID-19 pandemic and are in need of assistance paying your rent? The state of New Jersey has a new rental assistance program that may be able to help you and your family. The COVID-19 Emergency Rental Assistance Program will provide temporary rental assistance to low and moderate income households that have had a substantial reduction in income or became unemployed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Applicants may be eligible for a maximum of up to 6 months of emergency rental assistance. Persons applying must meet all applicable income and eligibility requirements. The Emergency Rental Assistance Program will be accepting online applications. For more information and eligibility requirements, please visit nj.gov/DCA.